Hey guys, welcome to another edition of RECON TV. Today we will be installing a set of RECON LED smoke taillights on a 2012 Toyota Tundra. The RECON part number is 264188DK. Remove the factory taillights from the truck and leave all OEM wiring intact. Only remove the bulbs from their respective sockets. You will be left with 3 wires and empty bulb sockets. Once the RECON taillights have been removed from their packaging, you will simply plug the RECON connector into the vacant bulb socket. Please note that this is a polarity-sensitive connection, so you'll need to match the black ground wires on the RECON plug and on the OEM socket. Please make sure the factory socket is locked into the RECON taillight securely to ensure that the light remains sealed. Once the 3 OEM connectors are locked into place, you are now ready to reinstall the taillight by pressing the 2 studs back into their grommets and replacing the 2 screws to secure the light. Please make sure to check all light functions before fully tightening the screws. Congratulations on your new RECON smoked LED taillights.